So now we are moving on to the wafer paper anemone lesson, and I'm just going to show you how to prepare the petals, like cut out the petals. Now for wafer paper, it is like an A4 sheet, but this is an edible sheet, okay, and the look and feel of it is going to be like this. This is not the one that is used for printing the images, but there are wafer papers available for printing, and that is like a thicker sheet, and then this one is like kind of easy and flexible, and one side of it we have the texture and then the other side of it is smooth. Okay, so now we are going to get the petals cut out from this particular paper, and for which we just need to get our templates, because we can't use cutters to go on and then cut on a wafer paper like how you're doing for the sugar flowers, right? So these are the two cutters for the flower anemone, and we will need 6 of the smaller sized petals and 6 of the bigger sized petals. Okay, so for which we just need one template. I'm just going to show how we could use the OHP sheet and then prepare a template. So OHP sheet is nothing but a transparent presentation sheet available in any stationery stores. So I'm just going to place this, and that's just a marker. You could go over or inside. So once you've made the outline, you just need the scissors. Just going to go over the outline. That we one, and second one. So you have the templates ready, and now how do we use that to cut the wafer paper itself? Okay, so I'm just going to use one of it. I'm just going to hold it and check how much of the sheet I will need for one petal. So I'll just get as close and cut the square or the rectangular piece of the wafer paper first, and then I will keep this as the guideline and then cut about 4 more or 3 more. I mean, more than that, I'm just going to stack them together and then use the template and then cut more than one petal at a time. So now we need 6, right? We could do 3 at a time. I'm just going to put them together and place the template on the top, and I have to just hold it and not move, or otherwise now the petals shape may just get disturbed. Okay, so just go on. So hold it pretty tight. So that is the template, and we have 3 of the petals cut out from just once we go around with the scissors. Now what I'm going to do, cut 3 more of this. So I need 6 of the bigger sized petal and 6 of the smaller sized petal. I'll go ahead and then cut the rest using the same method, and then I'll get back in the part of the lesson where I'll show you how to prepare the petals, like wire them and then how you're going to shape them and all. So catch you up in that lesson.